Hello, welcome to another Dying Light 2 video walkthrough. We're going to take a slightly different look at Dying Light 2, and that is looking at how to play some of the custom maps. Now this is a feature that was in Dying Light that I had used, and it's also in Dying Light 2. I did a little bit of research to figure out how to get this going, and what I'm going to try to do is download and play the Heavy Rail custom map. This is the custom map pick of the week from the Pilgram Outpost, and so we have to do a few things in order to get our installation, and I am on Steam, up and running. So let's put this aside, knowing that that's where we will come. We need to bring up our Steam window. Right click on Dying Light 2, manage, or properties actually, properties, there we go, DLC. Look in the DLC to see if you have the developer tools, which if I remember correctly, I look down through here and it's like I do not. So let's view more in the store. Or actually just let's search to begin with and say developer. It doesn't find anything, so let's go ahead and view in the store. Scan down through here. There it is, Dying Light 2. Dying Light 2 Stay Human Developer Tools. Create, download, and share custom maps for Dying Light 2 Stay Human. Let's click on that. View page. And let's go ahead and download it. So it has brought up our main screen. Not exactly sure why. Unity maps. And there we have it. We have community maps in here. Let's go ahead and search. That was actually quite painless if you ask me. Let's go up here and search for... I forget the name of this. Mine's a terrible thing to waste. Ah, yes, Heavy Rail. There's Heavy Rail. Click on it. Oh, it says it doesn't work. Let's look at let's just pick something else. Go back to community maps. Harran Prison. Now there was a prison in Dying Light 1. It says log in to subscribe. Not exactly sure what we need to do to log in, so let's take a look at that. Let's go ahead and quit the game. Downloads one of one items complete. So let's go back to our library. There, launch developer tools. See where that takes us. It says it's running. It's probably doing the initial installation. There we go. Get maps. Let's search for prison. Harran Prison. Get maps. No, not quite working. Authenticate through email. Okay, let's go ahead and make sure that we're a good user. We're going to take this offline just for the moment here, people. I think I can drag this across. Sure can. So now I need to check my email for a authentication code. Put that in here. Click OK. There we go. Now let's go back to look at my maps. Nope, get maps. Let's subscribe. I imagine it's downloading it. We'll stay with this while the download goes in progress. Or maybe we'll just wait. So hold on and we'll skip ahead. So we're back and we're heading up to 100%. It's validating it. 99, and we're subscribed. Click on My Maps. Install it. It is now local. Open project. We double click on it. It's initializing the game. figure out how to play this. Is this ready to play? Pause this for a minute while I play with the screen a little bit. There's the play button. I hear wind in the background. I'm not sure what you hear. Looks like it's loading. Still hear wind in the background. This is definitely looks like the prison from Dying Light 1, if you remember that, or you didn't play at all. Interesting what we got for weapons. We've got heavy tribal axe, and long stick, but we do have lockpicks. We have no gear. Awesomeness. At least we have ourselves. Got some lockpicks. Nothing in our stash. Let's head forward. We'll just do a little bit of gameplay. Get to the entrance. Arrows, not a whole lot. Turn our light on.
Get the fuck out of here.
You're dead! What's your move, punk?
That's close enough.
God. Eat this!
Cool, and we die. So that's just taking a quick look around at this. I hope you can see where the developer tools came from and where to find some developer tools and go ahead and play these custom maps. And I think I might try this again offline without y'all watching me. So I hope this helps. Drop me any notes if you have any questions and head into some custom maps.